Kalamotti Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner Pool Vacuum for above-ground pools. Powerful suction, rechargeable battery, lasts 140 mins. Built-in water sensor technology for pool surface up to 630 SQ. For maintaining a clean and pristine swimming pool is essential for a great swimming experience. While there are numerous pool cleaners available on the market, finding the perfect one can be a challenging task. Enter the Kalamotti Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, a versatile and efficient cleaning solution specifically designed for above-ground pools. With its powerful suction, long-lasting battery, and innovative water sensor technology, this robotic cleaner is poised to become a game-changer in pool maintenance. One of the standout features of the Kalamotti Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is its powerful suction capability. Equipped with a high-performance motor and efficient suction system, this cleaner effortlessly removes leaves, debris, and even fine particles from the pool's surface. From twigs and bugs to sand and silt, it tackles them all, leaving your pool immaculate and ready for a refreshing swim. The rechargeable battery is another notable feature of this robotic pool cleaner. With a single charge, the cleaner can operate for an impressive 140 minutes, providing ample cleaning time to cover even larger pools. This extended battery life ensures that your pool can be thoroughly cleaned without any interruptions or the need for frequent recharging. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.